What is up, everyone? We are out here at Dorothea Dix Park and we are testing out the new DJI Avata. And more importantly, we have this little Wii remote controller here, and this is going to fly the drone for us. So we're going to see how this works. This is my first time flying an FPV drone, and let's see what happens. All right, I've been doing the little DJI simulator. It basically puts you in a simulator on a screen, and I've gotten a lot of practice through that. So I kind of know the already gist of it, but you basically just point up, point down, and you turn right, turn right. It's really simple, just all one-handed. I can't promise any cinematic footage today, so make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll definitely see a lot of cool clips in the coming months. So we hook up this to this, and then those two things hook up to the goggles, which I'm about to put on, and we'll take off and see what it flies like. Got a controller hooked up to these goggles right here, these beautiful things, which is hooked up to my phone, and that's hooked up to a battery. So if you're expecting a tutorial out of this video, you probably should have read the title, because you're probably not going to get one. Just trying to see what it's like. So also, there's a lot of Christmas decorations out here, so we're going to see how close we can get to those without getting kicked out. But yeah, just put them on and let's go for a flight. Oh shoot. Okay. Hello, turn action. Bye-bye. Honestly, man, having a lot of fun. Got high hopes for this. To be honest, I really enjoyed it. It was pretty cool. flying it for the first time like in real life. I mean, it's different movements though, like compared to the simulator for anyone that's done that. But it's really cool. You can get really close to objects. There's no obstacle avoidance. So I mean, you guys saw from the footage, like you were really up and close to things. And yeah, the footage was from like a few parks around Raleigh, just to experiment with like different obstacles. I really love the fence and the awnings that we flew through. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna keep pushing at this. I only have this motion controller right now, but there is a regular remote controller, like a PS4 or Xbox, in the mail right now. So I will be getting that soon, and you'll really be able to do a lot more tricks with that. This is kind of limited, so I'm looking forward to getting better. And I know we got some trips planned to go to Bali. We're thinking either Jamaica or Dominican Republic, and those beaches down there with this drone, it'll be insane. And maybe we'll have some more subjects we can film. Make sure you guys subscribe for that in the future. If any of you guys saw my first video, that's not really similar to this video. I'm kind of just having fun out here making videos, so I don't really know where this channel is going to take me. But I'm thinking to do a lot more with this drone stuff, and I really want to monetize this. So maybe we'll make like a little series where we go through my story of going to a beginner to a pro for FPV flying, and you guys will get to see like my path from being out here not even knowing anything for the first time, and maybe a year from now we'll have jobs for movies, and we'll be out in crazy places recording for people for money. So yeah, we'll see y'all next time.